nature that we have in UUM, the deer farm. So let's take a look to the deer. We have many deers there. So let's take a look. Let's go.
Nó nằm mấy bao này nè, mấy bao này.
As we can see, many people come to visit the deer farm around 5 to 7 p.m. in the evening together with their family, and mostly the visitors are outsiders, not the UUM students. We have seen many outsiders there, and many families come with their child to feed the deer together with their child. So as you can see there, the family is trying to feed the deer with the bread. There's also students, UUM students, but not as many as the outsider family that come here to visit the deer and maybe trying to release their stress or enjoying their evening time. One of the interesting nature in UUM is the horse stable. Now here I'm sitting on the chariots. Look like very interesting, right? This chariot is using for the formal ceremony in UUM. The horse will ride these chariots, and the VIPs will sit here and will round, and will the horse will ride them around UUM. So let's take a look to the horses that we have here. As the worker told us that this is the Farid Kamil's horse. He left his horse here and gives permission to UUM to take care of his horse here. And even a student can ask a ride for Farid Kamil horse. So as you can see, it's very pretty. Farid Kamil horses is very pretty, and as you can see, its hair is even prettier than my hair. So if you are coming to the horse stable, you can come to the where the horses are located here in the cage, and you can find the horse with number 29-4. The 29-4 horse is the Farid Kamil horse here. So here we are walking to the next nature, and we are on the bridge where we will walk above the Sintok River. The sound is very calm, and students will always walk here to release their stress and take a look to the many trees here, and also will have a good oxygen here. They will breathe fresh air here, and also they can even jogging here in the evening. So this is the Sintok River. It is very calm, and the sound can make people forget their stress. Students from DPP MAS will walk here to the class, as this is their everyday route to the class. So they don't need to take a bus, and they will walk here under the trees with the surrounding with full of green leaf, even the grasses, and you can see they will release their tension here while walking, and I think they won't even feel like walking too far because the route is very interesting to walk, and they will breathe a fresh air here to the class, especially in the morning. So you can take a look around here. That we have many trees and very close to the nature. This is ostrich farm that you can see here. There are 5 ostrich here. One of them is male and four others is female. Okay, so the scientific name of ostrich is Struthiocamelus. This ostrich is from South Africa, and their weight is between 65 and 130 kilograms. However, male ostrich can weigh up to 150 kilograms. These birds have a lifespan between 40 to 60 years, and as we can see there, they have a long neck, and there is a male ostrich where they have red beak and black feather, while we have to take a look for female ostrich there, and they have black beak and gray feather. Okay. This ostrich mainly feed on vegetables and leaves, and they can their height is can reach to 2.5 meters. So we can have a look on there. Okay, now let me show you the splendor of nature in UUM. There is a lake that covers the UUM surrounding. Here, I'm standing in front of Sam Darby's Lake, where it's located in Route B. Sam Darby is one of hostel here. Okay, so many activities that we can do here, such as fishing, have a BBQ or party, and we also can jogging, and the most important one is we can rest our mind, because this place is very exciting, and these students or visitors can also canoeing in this lake for free, and they don't have to pay any fee. Okay, as you can see, I don't think you don't have any feelings toward this lake, because the place is very exciting and peace. We are here at Bukit Kaching. Actually, there are a lot of monkeys in this area. They always entertain us by climbing from tree to tree, and also doing a show in the evening, and also they always come into our hostel and disturb us and disturb our peace in the hostel. Sometimes they love to play hide and seek like this. Sadly, day to day we don't get the opportunities to see the monkeys climbing the trees and jump from tree to tree because we don't know why the monkeys doesn't come up today. But we don't get the opportunity to see the monkey, so we will tell a little bit about how the monkey behavior. Moreover, there are also students who love to jog in the evening as they can breathe the fresh air from the trees that provide oxygen to us, so they can boost stamina in their bodies. They even can see the nature that we have around the hostel.
This is Bukit Kachin. Okay, this place is also suitable for students to study and release
Their stress
also live
in
in
peace,
and calm.
and
Place.
also can always release their stress by walking or jogging around this Bukit Kachi.
Or have a sightseeing in this Bukit Kachin.
So basically we have two hostel here. First is Bank Rakyat and the second one is SME Bank
Which is the last hostel in this UUM.
in UUM and was located outside the UUM, about 3 kilometers from UUM, from the
Main campus.
main campus.
That's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.